And a good Friday morning to you. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com. It represents 802 Toyota, Twin Cities Subaru, and 802 Honda. They're all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. This is our storm system. Of course, the upper level trough is way back over here. We got a surface low that's going to be tracking and taking a track across southern parts of New England. As that takes place, this advancing line between freezing rain and sleet is going to change back to all snow, and it's going to be coming down in gobs. Let's take a look at the close-ups here. So we really have dodged a bullet so far. Really haven't seen a whole lot in the way of glazing up until now. Reports a little bit north of the Burlington area, around a quarter of an inch of icing now. About 0.2 of an inch being reported at the Burlington International Airport, which is runways are closed due to icing. We're looking at this advancing. This is all filling in now, and this is pushing in across the region. So we're expecting freezing rain with a changeover to snow. That advancing line is a little bit fast on this depiction here. It's roughly into the vicinity of the central Champlain Valley, just getting into the areas around Newport, up around Holland. And this is going to be taking a track, of course, continuing south and east. This is all due to an area of low pressure to the south, west of us, that's going to track across portions of southern New England. As that back edge gets equal about due south of us, that snow is going to whip into the region. We're also going to see increasingly stronger gusty winds with a lot of blowing and drifting this afternoon, and snowfall rates at about 1 to 2 inches per hour. Let's take a look at the latest HRRR modeling. So the modeling looks like this is valid at about 8 o'clock this morning, and it's pretty close. I would say it's a little bit on the slow side. So we're looking at, that would be 9 o'clock, 10, 11. By 11 o'clock this morning, 10 o'clock this morning, I should say, this is the line basically about the vicinity of Middlebury back over to about Linden, and everything north and west is seeing some snow. We got some heavier snow precipitation that's going to be falling and working across the region, so it's relatively light now. It's going to pick up, and you can see by the depiction here what it's doing there. That's valid at 16Z. That is 11 o'clock this morning. So by 11 o'clock this morning, that snow line now is roughly about Rutland to about St. Johnsbury, and you can see some very heavy snowfall taking place for around noon. And the snowfall is interesting because it wavers just a little bit. As you can see right here, and then it's back. This is valid about 2 o'clock this afternoon. That would be 3, 4, 5. We're all snow at this point in time. And the snowfall continues to get lighter, lighter, lighter until we get toward midnight and just beyond that. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.